Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Turn the lock like this so you can access the screws here, and you can take the screws out like this. Same thing over here. Make sure you hold the outside part of the lock, because if it falls and it hits a tile floor, you may break a tile, so make sure you hold on to it so it doesn't fall. All right, we're going to unscrew the screws and take them out. Put it off to the side. Same thing over here. Take the screw out. Make sure you hold it so it doesn't fall. Then we'll take this off. And now we'll push out the piece that's over here, just like that. And we take this off, and we'll put this off to the side for now. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to come down to the striker. This is the part that locks into the door itself. And we'll take these two screws here out. Same thing on the top, take it out. Get rid of these. And then this just pulls straight out just like that. And we'll put this off to the side. Now you want to note where this is right here, because this is adjustable for a shorter door and a longer type of a hole on the side of the door. So you want to note where it is right now, because that's the way we're going to put the replacement on. I'm going to show you the difference. Okay. It's up in the front where it's supposed to be, and this one is all the way up in the front as well. If it was in the back, it would be much longer. This piece would be much longer, but it wasn't. It was down in here, so that is the way we're going to put the other one back on as well. Okay, now we take our latch and we put the latch inside the door. Make sure you have the up facing up. We'll just put it in here just like this. And we're going to catch the two screws in here. And we're not tightening these up with too tight, we're just snugging them in right now. So it's still just a little bit loose, as you can see. Alright, next thing we're going to do now is we're going to take our new lock. We're going to have the name of the lock facing up. We're going to put this piece here through inside right here. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, we hold it right there, and now we'll put the other piece on. Now you can see that this is actually not perfectly round. You see how one side is squared off? So you make sure you put that on over the squared off area here, holding it from the outside. We're going to turn it on partially, just like that. Then we're going to take our screws, put them in through here, and you turn it till it catches. And then we're not going to tighten these up yet either. We're just going to catch it loosely. Just like that. We'll put a second one in here. Same exact thing. Catch it loosely. And we're going to snug them down till it's almost tight. We're going to look on the outside to make sure it's okay. It's nice and straight. Now we can come over here and we can tighten these screws up. Okay. All right, next thing we're going to do now is we're going to put our latch in, our latch plate in there, and then we'll be all done. So let's continue with that. Okay, next thing we're going to do now is we're going to take this plate off right here. Okay, we'll take this off, and now we'll grab our new plate, and we'll put the new plate in there. Now on the new plate, we're going to be using screws that are actually considerably longer. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the screw that came out, and this is the screw we're going to be putting in. Actually putting in longer screws to keep anybody from possibly pushing the door in and gaining entry into it. These screws, as I told you with the low one, will go back through into the 2x4, which frames out the doorway itself. All right, so now we're going to take it and we're going to screw it in with the electric screwdriver right now, but we're not going to tighten it. We're going to tighten it with the screwdriver itself. All right. We're just going to snug it in place right now. And the reason we're not using this to tighten it up is because we could possibly strip out the hole inside there. So we're just going to screw it down and tighten it with a regular Phillips head screwdriver. And that's it. All right, let's close it and make sure it works okay. That's it. Perfect. All right, job is all done. And that's it. We'll be on to the next one. All right, as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.